This is an app called Nookazon. You can use it to find things you need for your island, Animal Crossing.
This is simple. All you need to do is sign in, search an item you want, and then place an offer. Or you can do an offer. So I'm going to search bookshelf. So this is the app that you should get, called Nookazon for devices not including Nintendo.